Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install showing scheduling with Calendly for investors, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to the Calendly website. If you don't already have an account, click the sign up button to create one using your email address. Once you've created your account, log in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your Calendly dashboard. Now, click on the Event Types tab in the navigation menu. Here, you can create a new event by clicking on the plus New Event Type button. Choose the type of event that best suits your scheduling needs. For investors, a one-on-one meeting might be ideal. Next, fill in the event details, including the event name and duration. You can also add a description if you want to provide more context. Move on to set your availability by selecting the days and times when you're free to meet. Make sure to account for the time zone preferences of your clients. Once your availability is set, you can customize additional settings such as buffer times and minimum scheduling notice. Click Next to proceed to the final settings. Here, you can choose to add questions for your invitees to answer when booking. Consider including relevant questions about their investment interests. Once you're satisfied with the settings, click Publish to make your event live. You will now see a unique link for your event type. Copy this link to share it with your clients and investors. You can also connect your Calendly account with your calendar to avoid double bookings. To do this, go to the Integrations tab in your settings. Choose the calendar service you use, such as Google Calendar or Outlook. Follow the prompts to link your account. After integration, your availability will automatically sync with your calendar. Your setup is now complete, and you're ready to start scheduling meetings with investors. Share your Calendly link via email or messaging to allow easy access for your clients. Your scheduling process will now be streamlined and professional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.